Hey. So today I'm going to be removing this old set from my silicone hand. It is a new year. It is time for new sets. So I decided to show y'all how I do that. Getting right into it. I use this extra coarse drill bit. I believe I got it from Amazon. If I find the link, I'll put that down below. But I'm just using this bit to remove the design and also take down the bulk of the rest of the acrylic. Since this is a 3D design, this is all acrylic on this pinky, so it took me a while. This video is sped up like a lot, so I'm not actually going this fast, but I'm also not being as gentle as I would on an actual client either, because first of all, I would never take down the length of the nail with an e-file on a natural client. I would just, file down and get it nice and thin, and then use my tip cutters to just clip off the rest of that length. Just a little FYI for any other techs or enthusiasts that might be watching. This is just for my silicone hand. I would never do this so haphazardly on an actual person. But this nail was also all acrylic. I did all that color blocking and all acrylic. So I'm just look at that consistency for a minute. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of shook myself with that. I wasn't expecting the design to be this consistent throughout the entire nail. But yeah, just take down the bulk with this really coarse drill bit, the length as well. Once again, I would not do this on an actual client. I would have made that a little bit thinner in that middle area and then just took the nail tip cutters and clipped it down. And this is why I am a lot more gentle on a natural client as well, because you will see me like nick this hand a lot. My practice hands are all crusty and dusty, okay? This is why I say I don't use this exact technique on a client. And I'm also a lot more gentle because this file is super coarse. This drill bit is like really coarse. So the same way it's taking down this product, it will take your skin off. So just a little words to the wise. I forgot to mention that while using this extra coarse drill bit, I have my e-file at about 11,000 RPMs. Just, more speed to help me take down the bulk a lot quicker, but only with a coarse bit and not when I'm on the natural nail. I'll turn it down once I switch bits. So once I'm done removing all that bulk, you see me switch to this white drill bit here. This is a ceramic drill bit. Ceramic drill bits are just a lot more gentle than carbide drill bits, and this is a fine drill bit as well. So it's not as coarse as the other one because this is supposed to be like the natural nail area. But like I said before, usually I would, file down the natural nail area with, of course, with like a ceramic drill bit or, a fine drill bit. I wouldn't file all of the product off. I would just, file it down really thin and then soak it off. But like I said, this is a silicone hand. So I'm just going to go ahead and file it all off with this drill bit here. And like I mentioned before, I turned the speed down to about 4,000 RPMs while using this bit. So now that all the product is gone, I am now gluing these practice tips onto the nail beds of my silicone hand. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna take down some length, file shape, blend the tip to the nail bed, and she'll be ready to go for her next set. Now, some of you might be wondering why I go over the entire nail tip. It's not only to help with adhesion, it also helps with my shaping. So once you file over the entire nail, like especially with clear tips, well, this is for clear tips. Like for me, I do this for clear tips. Going over the entire length of the nail helps me see like the shape a whole lot better than if I were to just leave it clear and only blend in, the nail bed area. One more thing I forgot to add. When doing the shaping for the free edge of the nails, what I like to do is flip the hand around so that I can look at the client view and shape the free edge that way. I do that with my silicone hands as well. The only problem is it wasn't in frame, so y'all aren't going to see that in this video. Maybe in another video, like I'll do a watch me work, and hopefully I'll have a better setup so I can actually show that in my process as well. But one thing I don't change when I'm using my silicone hand versus a client hand is I will bend that finger in every direction known to man, okay? To get my shape and my blend right, I am going to bend that finger always, and I suggest all text enthusiasts, artists, whatever you call yourself, do the same, all right? If you need to bend the finger to the right, to the left, bend that finger to the right, to the left, because it shows in your end product. It shows when you don't put in that extra effort. And now she's ready for application and design. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll stay tuned for my next one. Bye.